In light of current events, the need to convert physical events into online virtual events has become apparent. But what is a virtual event? How do you create one? What's the first step? Don't stress. Ministry Sync leadership recently took part in a webinar where over 700 individuals discussed solutions to event cancellations and how you can move your physical event online. The webinar will discuss communication plans, 2 strategies for effective virtual events, how to live stream your event, and Ministry Sync CEO Jason Galasinski will reveal a secret technique he uses for successful, stress-free online events. The webinar has been made available to anyone who wants it for free. Also available to help aid in your navigation of creating an online event is a detailed, in-depth video made by the team here at Ministry Sync describing how to transition your physical event to an online platform. The video explains strategies for how to structure your program, what to change, what to leave, detailed steps describing how to make your vision come to life, and more. This will help make your virtual event planning process stress-free. Now you may be asking, how can I engage people? Or how do I get people to support my cause through a virtual event? Not to worry. We've included answers to over 100 frequently asked questions in the video that is provided along with the webinar. Starting your stress-free virtual event planning journey is just one click away.